Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain pump kit in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/8 open-ended wrench, 5/16 inch nut driver, 1/4 inch nut driver, Phillips, and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain pump kit, which includes a drain pump itself, a fine filter, filter base, some clamps, and the instructions. The drain pump moves the water from the dishwasher to the outer drain. It operates by the main control board. The main reasons why the drain pump would need to be replaced is if the impeller breaks off or the motor burns out, causing the dishwasher not to drain. Sometimes the drain pump housing cracks, causing a water leak. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the dishwasher, we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws that holds it to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shower valve just in case the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then using the 5/16 inch nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Alright, now we're gonna pull out the dishwasher. I'm gonna hold it here and slowly pull it out. Lift it up. So now we're gonna place the dishwasher on the side. We're gonna remove this clamp using a flat blade screwdriver. We're gonna put it into this slot here and pry it open. And I'm gonna remove the clamp off. I'm gonna place a towel here underneath because we're gonna have some water coming out. And then I'm gonna use the Phillips screwdriver to loosen up this hose clamp. And now we're gonna disconnect this drain hose from the drain pump by pulling it off. Careful, we're gonna have water coming out. I'm not, but you probably will. And now we're gonna pull off the drain pump itself from the sump here, from the outlet. Alright, so next we're going to release the pump from this hanger. And it just pulls off. And now we're gonna disconnect the power plug. I'm gonna use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm gonna press in here. That's where the locking tab is. And pull up on the plug. This is the old drain pump next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's plug the new drain pump. And I'm gonna simply connect this and push it in. It locks with a loud click. Then we're going to hang it on this hanger. You see that blue mark? That's where that hanger goes into this opening. Then I'm going to turn it, place the clamp on, and connect this to the sump outlet. Turn it so this cutout will match this rib, and push it in more. So now we're going to connect this drain hose to the drain pump outlet with the cutout on the top. Slide it on. Tighten these hose clamps with Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to remove the towel. Alright, now I'm going to put the power cord in. And then drain hose. And we can place the dishwasher upright. And we can slide the dishwasher under the countertop. Now we're going to duck under the counter and pull out the drain line, water supply line, and the power cord. And we can continue installing the dishwasher. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve and tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. And next we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. Roll out the lower dish rack, and then we can pick it up. Now I'm going to remove the fine filter by turning it counterclockwise and pulling it out. Alright, so this is an old filter, this is a new filter. Before installing a new filter, and we need to compare those locking tabs. As you can see, they are different. So we cannot just install this filter into the old base, which is at the bottom in that opening. So we need to use the new base that is supplied in the kit. Now we need to remove this lower spray arm by turning that lock nut at the bottom counterclockwise, looking from the top of this spray arm. Then we're going to pull it up. Alright, next we need to remove these two filter vents that holds the coarse filter. They just simply unscrew. And now we're going to remove the coarse filter. And just lifts off. Next we're removing this filter adapter by pulling it straight up. Now we're going to remove these two 1/4" screws that holds the base using nut driver. I'm going to use the needle nose pliers, and I'm going to pull up that the floor base. Match the shape of the new base plate in the cutout and simply drop it in. Next we're going to secure the base with two 1/4" screws. I'm going to install the filter adapter by matching that shape and pressing it down. Now we can install the coarse filter by putting it on. Make sure it fits in this opening. Alright, now we're going to install these two retainers, also called filter vents. We simply screw it in, turning it clockwise. Now we can install the lower spray arm. We're going to place this into the opening, turn it slightly so it will go down, and then we can lock that nut by turning it clockwise, looking from the top of the spray arm. And only now we can drop in the new filter and turn it clockwise so we can match these arrows here and here. That means it's locked. Then the lower dish rack goes in, slide it in, and we can close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.